Welcome back. Now, in this video, we're going to go through a process that will take a few videos in order to explain. And you're going to be using the PLR Show sales templates for your products if you want to use the platform in order to deliver your sales pages. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to go inside of the site area. And you're going to see that you're going to come up for the default page. It's going to be funnels. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into a page. This is our PLR sales page template that we will be including for you to add to your sales page area. So what we're going to do is here is going to click sales pages. And you're going to see here that we're going to now click the edit button. We're going to edit the page. And what you're going to see here is you're going to see a course that we did called AI Video Playbook. But the most important aspect of this is not necessarily that it is AI Video Playbook, but the fact that you're going to be able to remake this into any of our sales pages with a basic template. For example, you could decide that what you don't want to have a header template. And so if you go to this page, what you'll do here is you'll just click on top of this area and you can delete the entire header. And then you will then just have a plain sales page header. And so what you can then do is you can then edit the headline to be what you want. You can then edit the subheadline to be what you want. And since you're redoing PLR, you're going to name this product what you want it to be. Now, what we've done by putting the template inside of your Go High Level area is we've made it so that the template is going to be, now you can make all of your changes inside of the blocks. So whatever your product name is going to be, you can make the change here. Whatever your subheadline is, you're going to make the change here. Let's say that what you want to do here is you want to put in a new graphic. So you're going to click on top of this area. What you're going to notice here is that you have controls on this left side. And what you're going to see here is that we have an image template here. If I scroll down, this image is here in this area. That means then if I want to change this image, I'm going to click this area. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to upload the file to the graphic that I want. Once I upload the file to the course platform, I'm going to click on top of it. I'm then going to see this link. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go to the back button. I'm then going to go to this image area and I'm going to paste in the image that I want. And then I'm going to keep this optimized. Now, if you see a reason to change the template, of course you can, but you don't have to. And so you're going to change this to the videos that you want it to be. If you want to add in videos, all you're going to do is add in another element here that you're placing here. If you want to change this element, you can change it. So if you're rewriting your sales letter with AI, you can make changes to our basic sales page template and add it to any of your PLR products that you have inside of the Ultimate Insider platform. And so what you're going to do here is you're going to click on top of this element. And you're going to notice here that this is an add to cart. What you're going to do here is you want to have this image action to be go to a website URL. And this is where you're going to put the buy button for your sales page. Now, this is just the basic of how you're going to use the PLR Show templates inside of the Ultimate Insider platform, which is the Go High Level sub-account that you get as a bonus for being an Ultimate Insider. Now, I do not sell access to the Go High Level sub-account. When you become an Ultimate Insider, it is a bonus as part of your monthly membership. And so when you go to the plrshow.com/insiders and you sign up, make sure that you write me immediately in support to set you up on the platform if that is what you want. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.